Hello everyone, welcome to 11.7 Estimate Volume. The essential question is, how can you use an everyday object to estimate the volume of a rectangular prism? So here are the steps. Go ahead and write them down. You want to count the number of units inside the box. So you're going to be given boxes like this, and you're going to want to count how many of the smaller boxes are in it, or units, okay? And it's going to be in like, and then it's going to show you that in like cubic inches, cubic feet. So multiply the volume of one unit. And that 1 unit, like I said, is going to be measured in cubic units. Like in this example, it's cubic inches. Okay, it could be cubic centimeters, cubic feet, whatever. You're going to multiply the volume of 1 unit with the amount of units inside the overall prism. So inside this overall box, how many are there? Multiply it times cubic inches. So this is all just a multiplication problem. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's solve. It says each crayon box has a volume of 16 cubic inches. So I'm going to highlight that, 16 cubic inches. Okay, and it tells me it's in inches right there. Okay, inches. Then it says the box below is used to ship the crayons to stores. What is the volume of the box below? So we're going to multiply it times 16 because there's 16 cubic inches. And I know my answer is going to be inches cubed, sorry. And now we just need to count how many boxes or how many smaller boxes are in this overall big box. So I want to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I know that there are 2 in each row here. So I'm going to take 12 times 2, which is 24. And I'm going to multiply 24 times 16. In case you didn't realize it, yes, there's 12 overall in the front, but there's also 12 in the back, in this back row right here. Okay, so you see this back row, there's 12 back there. Okay, there's 6 up top, and then there's 6 in the bottom that you can't see, but you know they're there. Right, and right there it kind of shows you in that little corner that there's a box. So you can't see most of them, but you know that they're there. So there's 24 boxes altogether in this big box. Okay, and each one has 16 cubic units. So what you do is you multiply 24 times 16. Okay? 6 times 4 is 24. 12 plus 2 is 4. Add a 0. 4, 2. Okay, I'm just going to add over here. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. It's going to be 384 cubic inches. All right? That's all there is to it. You're just multiplying. Okay, 384 is your answer. Okay, once again, you want to look at what's the overall, or how many units are in the box. Okay, and then you multiply the number of units in the box times the volume of 1 unit, which was in this case 16 cubic inches. So let's go ahead and do number 2. This one says each box of shoes has a volume of 130 cubic inches. So I know each one has a volume of 130 cubic inches. And I know that it's going to be in inches cubed, my answer. Oops. Give some space here. Inches cubed. Okay. And I'm going to be multiplying it times 130 because it wants us to find the volume of the entire box. So let's count how many are in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 2 back here, 7, 8. Okay, because there's one over here that we can't see. 1 behind this one. So there's 8 boxes, and I'm going to multiply that times 130 because that was the volume of one of the boxes. So 130 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. It is 1,040 cubic inches. And that is my final answer. All right, you guys, that's all we're doing today. Okay, you're going to be given word problems like this with figures, and you're going to want to multiply how many are in the box times the cubic inches that they give you, the volume of one of the boxes. Okay? All right, if you have any questions, please make sure you let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.